like dramatic and flowy. I don't know, if Darth Vader did summer wear. Hello, fabulous friends. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle the winter clothes out, summer clothes in wardrobe shuffle. I live in Toronto, where there are approximately 18 seasons, and you need options for all of them. And I also live in a small condo, so as much as I would love in the fall to just take my summer stuff and shove it out of the way to the end of the rack, I don't have that much space. So when fall comes around, I need to store my summery things. I keep them in bins under my bed. A lot of things do stay in the closet all year long, but shorts, floaty summer dresses, the linens, things like that, I'm just not going to be wearing. Today, we're just going to tackle what is in these boxes. And honestly, I have no idea. I mean, I vaguely know, like, I'm middle-aged. There's only so much room left in the hard drive. So it's going to be interesting to see what's in there. Hopefully we'll have some fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share. All of these things are super helpful for my itty bitty channel. These are the bins that I use for this. They're pretty big. They're by Sterilite, and I like them because they have wheels. They just like glide when I want to pull them out. It is pretty transparent. So I basically pulled it out, opened the lid, and just scooped everything out with my eyes closed. You can start fresh together and go through these things. I'm not even gonna look at what's in the pile. I'm just gonna reach and grab. So here we go. That feels like shorts. Yep, denim shorts. Ah, white ones. Okay, yeah. Very useful. Oh, the strawberry shirt. Yes, I love this one. Another shirt of some kind. Oh, yes. One of my dad's shirts. Look at it. From the Hawaiian Islands, the brand is Kahala. This was a thrift find, and look, the lovely hula girls and the tikis and the martinis. Oh, so good. It's a tunic, and it's a Lily Pulitzer. The handy dandy tank top with pineapples, something similar but with tropical leaves. This is Penny's Hawaii, and so this is like a real muumuu. Oh, hold on, you gotta see this print. It's the apple dress. If you've been following my thrifting videos for a while, you'll remember this one. It is so beautiful. It has pockets. It's 100% cotton. It is literally just the perfect summer dress. Oh, this is one of my all-time best finds. It's, I love Lily Pulitzer, like, obviously. Bright colors, tropical themes. What's not to love? This was thrifted here in Toronto. I have no idea how such a glorious neon pink pineapple print came to be here in the snowy north, but oh, it's divine. Look at this design. I feel like a shard of ancient pottery. It's really cool. This is a lovely dress that I thrifted. It's very much the sort of fitted jersey dress, great for the office with a blazer. My office isn't really like that. We're a lot more casual, but I do like to bring it once in a while. This is my banana dress. Yeah, this was an Old Navy find that I thrifted, and every time I've worn it, people have just like stopped me on the street and just been like, oh my God, I love your dress. So right before the Barbie movie came out, I was out thrifting one day and I just happened upon this absolutely perfect Barbie dress. Barbie pink, there are polka dots, it's cut in this 50s style, the full skirt. I wore it when we did a screening of Barbie right before it came out. I just feel so girly and fun in this dress, and I couldn't care less that Barbie is over. It'll never be over for me. These are some beautiful Liz Claiborne shorts that I thrifted. Look at that lovely pastel plaid. They're cut so beautifully. They're really, really lovely. However, I wore these last year when I was meeting up with a friend for margaritas and tacos. What I hadn't quite put together was that these are Liz Claiborne Golf. And I guess that waistband is cut for standing and walking on a golf course all day, because it is not designed for sitting and eating tacos. Oh! So this is another one of these glorious finds that don't quite fit me. This is a Royal Creations Made in Hawaii vintage dress. Hang on, let me pull up the print so you can see it properly. So fantastic. But it is vintage, and even though it's marked as a large, a vintage large is more like a current small end of medium. I'm going to put it in the TBD pile. There's a little shorts romper from Banana Republic that I thrifted. Look at this lemon print on the blue background. This is so lovely with the ruffles here. There are ruffles on the bottom of the shorts. It's just divine. I did manage to wear it last year. It is on the snug side. This is going in the to be determined pile. Red's a good color on me. I bought this dress in Paris. When I was in Saudi, I went back to Paris for a visit, and I remember wearing this down the street, and at the time my hair was dark and it was quite long. And man, I could feel myself getting checked out on the streets of Paris wearing this dress. So yeah, I just for sentimental reasons, I might hold on to this. And I liked it so much that I bought the exact same one in pink. So yeah, let's try that one. Maybe I'll let the pink one go. We'll see. I bought this in Italy. I went to Cinque Terre, and again, excuse my terrible Italian pronunciation, Cinque Terre. If you've never been, it's this collection of 5 little villages along the coast, and they're just so gorgeous. They're kind of built up onto the hill and brightly colored, and it's just one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. They had like a little market in the square, and literally this was the first thing I saw. It was just hanging there. It was 15 euros. I didn't even try it on. I was just like, yeah, you know what? There's elastic. It'll be fine. Look at this jade green color. It's so glorious. It's such a cute summer dress with the ruffles. So I just like handed over my 15 euros. This has had a lot of wear and I still love it, but I don't know if it still fits. So yeah, we'll try that one on. Ugh. This is such a stunning dress. This is from Warehouse in the UK, bought in my London years. Beautiful butterfly pattern to it. I went to this amazing wedding in France. It was kind of like a 3 days at a chateau kind of affair. And this was what I wore for the rehearsal dinner the night before. So yeah, I just would never want to part with this. I call this my Manhattan dress because that's where I bought it. Years ago, let me see if I can show it to you. From Banana Republic. It's pure silk. It was only my second time ever visiting New York. I felt very Sex and the City in this. I mean, you don't mind all the memories, but you know, this happens when you hold on to your clothes and you don't just like throw things out every year because they're not in style. Beautiful maxi dress. It's cut on the bias. It has this fabulous pineapple pattern that kind of spirals around it. And oh, I've worn this dress many times. I actually bought this just before I left Saudi. I was at the mall in Dhahran, and I don't even know what the store was. This is a keeper. The perfect banana leaf tropical maxi dress. I've worn this so many times. It's such a useful item. This is another tropical maxi dress. This one is Tommy Bahama. Let me show you the print. It's really nice. That was box number 1. Let's move on to box number 2. How long is this video going to be? It's going to be really long. You cannot tell me anything when I'm wearing this combo. I feel so chic and so fabulous. Oh, yes. I'm a sucker for blue and white together. Really, really pretty. But I feel like there was something with the lining that I didn't like. I need to try that on and figure out what it was. I love a linen or linen blend trouser in the summer. That is another one of my style uniforms. And I particularly love a crazy print. Another oldie but a goodie. I was in Florence years ago, this little store, and they were selling these just thin cotton dresses for 2 euros. And you can either wear them strapless or they have, or you can wear them, you know, as a halter. And they're just beautiful colors. And I know I bought it in another color, so that's probably coming up momentarily. Oh, yeah, there it is. This lovely jade green. This is one of my summer favorites. Strapless tube top dress with this gorgeous pattern, but the thing I like best about it, it's kind of empire waist, or empire, depending on how you want to pronounce it. It has just like acres and acres of fabric in the skirt. So it's very forgiving to wear, and it's got this such a dramatic flow to it that yeah, I absolutely adore it. And it fits me whatever damn size I am. So yeah, 100% keep. The lemon dress. Oh my goodness, I wear this so often in the summer, I cannot even tell you. It's cotton, it has pockets, just the perfect summer shirt dress. It's this black eyelet, but it's not a dress. It's sort of a duster, but it fastens here. So it's quite flattering. And then the skirt sort of flows out behind you. It's like dramatic and flowy, and I don't know, if Darth Vader did summer wear. Ah, another perfect summer dress. Again, in 100% cotton, another thrift find. This beautiful black and white gingham, but I like that they did it on the tilt. I feel like just one of those super chic Italian women wandering around the market in their sandals and their beautiful dresses kind of thing when I wear this. This is a Karl Lagerfeld jumpsuit that I found at Winners. I bought this in the spring of 2019. The only drawback is it has no give whatsoever. None. Huh. Zero. So it is pretty unforgiving, and I know I don't fit into it right now, so that's going in the TBD pile. Great matching set that I found in the Zara summer sale last year. Very chic, either by itself or with the matching trousers. Love it. Actually found a second set at that sale. They're both 100% cotton, so it was a really good buy. These are the trousers, these nice snakeskin ones, and the shirt actually lived in the closet during the winter because I was still wearing it. This was something I ordered off ASOS when I was living in Saudi. It's just a really cute dress. It has just like a very discreet cutout, just kind of here. It really kind of looks good, like there. Down here, maybe not so much, but like just right under here, that little cutout is quite flattering. Just a wonderful summer basic. These are Joe Fresh linen trousers. I sized up in them because I wanted that easy, summery, slouchy fit. These were a Winners find. Actually, my friend found them and was like, those are so you. They are Christian Siriano. Thing is another pair of linen trousers. And again, just a nice neutral. This might not be neutral for everybody. For me, it's a neutral. That took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. So this may be a very long video. I apologize if that's not your jam. But I guess I don't really need to, because if it's not your jam, you're not watching at this point. So never mind. I hope you enjoyed my summer unboxing, and let me know if there are any items you're looking forward to seeing me style up over the course of the next few months. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you to the regulars that keep me going week after week. And if you're new here, please drop me a line in the comments so that I can say hi. And I will see you next time. Bye.